and a lot of customer you waiting for this table for the special price, guys. So today hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. This is Hero and I'm setting the wedding stuff, guys. If it's your first time on my YouTube channel, guys, please subscribe right now. You will be find special price on this YouTube channel, guys. So today we just available the beautiful tables, and which is for you can using for 10 people easy, right, guys. You can using for 10 to 12, and this is the big table is coming, guys. Is a portable, you can put it easy in the car, guys. So this is yesterday's the stock is just coming, and now is the morning time. I say I just make for you the video because today is Saturday and a lot of customer you waiting for this table for the special price, guys. So today we'll just give you the special price and amazing price, but you will be do what, guys? Just please share this video with your friends, guys, on Facebook and WhatsApp, guys, and follow us on Instagram, guys. So complete 1000 subscribe, guys. That day will be your special days, guys. The turns will be like mahala prices on this YouTube channel, so guys. So just right now subscribe, guys, and please press the bell icon, guys. When you press the bell icon, when I'm upload the video, guys, you will be see the notification. A lot of customers just complained it about when I'm upload the video and the stock is finished, and I have to say you need the stock because you didn't press the bell icon, guys. So you can please press the bell icon. When I'm upload the video, you will be see the notification, guys. So I just put it 8 table here, and I put it more this side, guys. So I just 3 put it here, guys, which is you can see, guys, and this is the big table, guys. It's a beautiful table and is a big size. We also coming the round tables, and the round tables we already, like we just show you, there is a round background, guys. This is the round background. This is already upload video, you can watch if you didn't watch, guys. So this is the beautiful the square table, which is a lot of people like it, and we really prepared nicely, guys. You can see this plastic because a lot of customer you want for like from KZN, Durban and Cape Town. So when you go there is a scratch in the car, but if you I'm give this one, there would be no scratch because we put it this white sponge and the plastic top, guys, so there will be no scratch. This table, guys, would be just for special price 959, guys. If you want it, guys, give me order right now, guys, and the stock is available, guys. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I hope you'll be like this video, guys. If you like, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe my YouTube channel for more video, guys. Thank you. On Facebook and WhatsApp, guys, and follow us on Instagram.